Merhaba, welcome to our channel. Today we're going on a whirlwind adventure through Turkey, a country where the echoes of ancient empires meet the vibrant pulse of modern life. From the bustling bazaars of Istanbul to the surreal landscapes of Cappadocia, Turkey is truly a feast for the senses, offering endless wonders to explore. Our first stop is Istanbul, a city that straddles two continents and centuries of history. Picture this. The sun setting behind Hagia Sophia, its golden dome reflecting the light. Nearby, the Blue Mosque stands tall, its minarets piercing the sky. Lose yourself in the alleys of the Grand Bazaar, where the air is thick with spices and bargaining. Next, we journey to Cappadocia, a land where time seems to stand still. Imagine waking up before dawn and drifting over a lunar landscape in a hot air balloon. As the sun rises, it paints the fairy chimneys in hues of pink and orange, creating a scene straight out of a dream. Explore the underground cities carved into the soft volcanic rock, remnants of early Christians seeking refuge and safety. Prepare to be dazzled by Pamukkale, the cotton castle. Imagine terraced pools of turquoise water cascading down a hillside, their edges rimmed with sparkling white travertine. And the best part, you can take a dip in these mineral-rich thermal waters believed to have healing properties since Roman times. Let's soak up some sun on the turquoise coast where ancient ruins meet the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. Antalya is a beach lover's paradise with golden sands and crystal-clear waters offering swimming, sunbathing and water sports. Explore the well-preserved Roman ruins, wander through the charming old town with its Ottoman-era architecture, and savor fresh seafood at a waterfront restaurant. Step back in time at Ephesus, one of the most well-preserved ancient cities. Stroll down marble streets lined with columns, passing the grand library of Celsus, and feel the past in the great theatre. This is where Paul once preached, and you can almost hear his echoes. Ephesus shows the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Calling all beach bums and nature lovers, Türkiye is a haven of turquoise bays, secluded coves and lush pine forests. Picture yourself gliding over the glistening waters of a Ludeniz lagoon, its iconic blue hues a sight to behold. Go for a swim, try paragliding, or relax on the soft sand and soak up the sun. Türkiye is a place to reconnect with nature and embrace simple pleasures of life. Let's tantalize our taste buds in Gaziantep, a city renowned for its culinary delights. Imagine biting into baklava, its layers of filo pastry, nuts and honey melting in your mouth. And don't forget to try alinazik kebab, a dish that will have you licking your plate clean. Get ready for some serious relaxation in Bodrum, a chic coastal town on the Aegean Sea. Imagine strolling along the harbour, lined with whitewashed houses adorned with bougainvillea. Spend your days swimming in the crystal-clear waters, indulging in delicious Turkish cuisine and soaking up the vibrant atmosphere. Bodrum is a place to unwind, recharge, and fully embrace the Aegean lifestyle. Step into the pages of Homer's Iliad at Troy, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Stand amidst the ruins of this legendary city where the Trojan War took place. See the city walls, imagine the Trojan horse, and feel the weight of history around you. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life in Sapanca, a tranquil oasis just a short drive from Istanbul. Imagine a leisurely stroll around serene Sapanca Lake, surrounded by lush greenery and nature's sounds. Go for a hike in the nearby mountains, enjoy a picnic by the lake, or simply relax and enjoy the peace and quiet. Sapanca is a place to reconnect with nature and find your inner zen. Calling all water enthusiasts, Kaz is a hidden gem on the turquoise coast, renowned for its crystal-clear waters and vibrant underwater world. Imagine diving into the depths, exploring ancient shipwrecks and swimming alongside colorful fish, marveling at the beauty of the Mediterranean Sea. Whether you're an experienced diver or a first-timer, Kaz offers an unforgettable underwater adventure for everyone. Let's delve into the heart of Turkish spirituality in Konya, the city of Rumi, the beloved Sufi mystic and poet. Imagine witnessing the mesmerizing whirling dervishes, their white robes flowing as they spin in a trance-like state, connecting with the divine through their dance. Visit the Mevlana Museum, Rumi's final resting place, and soak up the spiritual atmosphere. Konya is a place to reflect, connect, and find inspiration in its serene spots. A dive into an underwater paradise in Kars, a coastal town known for its exceptional diving. Explore vibrant coral reefs, ancient shipwrecks teeming with life, and underwater caves that amaze. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner, Kars offers a world of wonders to discover. Welcome to Dalyan, where history meets nature in a unique adventure. Cruise down the Dalyan River past ancient Lycian rock tombs glowing in the sunlight. Watch for endangered loggerhead turtles nesting on Istuzu Beach, a pristine protected area. Dalyan reveals Turkey's rich history and natural beauty. Take a deep breath of fresh mountain air as we venture into the Turkish plateaus where stunning vistas and adventures await. Imagine hiking through alpine meadows carpeted with wildflowers, trekking to hidden waterfalls and gazing out at panoramic views that take your breath away. The Turkish plateaus offer a rejuvenating escape. Prepare to be mesmerized by the beauty of Lake Van, the largest lake in Turkey and a sight to behold. Imagine gazing at its deep blue water surrounded by rugged mountains and ancient monasteries. Lake Van is a place of serenity, beauty, and historical significance. Let's embark on a culinary journey through Hatay, a region renowned for its rich history and diverse cuisine. Imagine savoring the flavors of the Middle East with spicy kebabs, creamy hummus, and fragrant lentil soup. Hatay is a feast for the senses and a testament to Turkey's rich heritage. Step into a world of opulence and intrigue at Topkapi Palace, the former residence of Ottoman sultans, where history comes alive. Imagine wandering through lavish chambers adorned with intricate tilework, glittering chandeliers, and priceless artifacts. Topkapi Palace is a window into the grandeur and power of the Ottoman Empire, a true marvel of history. Escape the tourist crowds and discover the hidden gem of Sakarya, a city known for its natural beauty and historical significance. Sakarya is a place to reconnect with nature, delve into history, and truly experience the authentic side of Turkey. Prepare to be captivated by the rugged beauty of the Black Sea region, a land of verdant mountains, tea plantations, and traditional villages. Imagine driving along winding coastal roads, stopping at charming tea houses perched on cliffs, and hiking through lush forests carpeted with wildflowers. Visit the breathtaking Sümele Monastery built into a cliff. Get ready for some serious fun in the sun in Kemer, a popular resort town on the Turkish Riviera. Imagine relaxing on pristine beaches, lapped by turquoise waters, trying your hand at water sports like jet skiing and parasailing, and dancing the night away at lively beach clubs. Kemer is a place to let loose and create unforgettable memories. Step into a world of Ottoman grandeur at Dolmabahce Palace, a stunning 19th century palace rivaling European royal residences. Marvel at the palace's ornate interiors, adorned with Bohemian crystal chandeliers, Italian marble, and French-style furniture. Dolmabahce Palace showcases the artistic and architectural prowess of the Ottoman Empire. Prepare to be amazed by the natural wonder of Pamukkale, a surreal landscape of white travertine terraces filled with turquoise thermal waters. Imagine dipping your toes into the warm, mineral-rich water said to have healing properties, and marveling at the sunlight reflecting off the cascading pools. Pamukkale is a unique and unforgettable destination. Escape to the idyllic shores of Ölüdeniz, home to one of the most photographed beaches in the world. Relax on the soft white sand, gaze at the mesmerizing turquoise waters, and feel the gentle sea breeze. Ölüdeniz is a place to unwind and create lasting memories. Step back in time in Mardin, a captivating city perched on a hilltop overlooking the Mesopotamian plains. Wander through its labyrinthine streets lined with ancient sandstone buildings adorned with intricate carvings. Mardin offers a rich cultural tapestry and panoramic views. So there you have it, our whirlwind tour of Turkey's top 25 must-visit places. From the bustling streets of Istanbul to the tranquil shores of Ölüdeniz, Turkey offers a tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses and leave you with lasting memories. Until next time, happy travels. Next time, happy